welcome back to today's daily doodle session. I had an interesting request, so today I'm gonna try and draw a snake wrapping around a heart. So this will be interesting. So where I'm going to start here, we're gonna kind of draw up the shape of the heart, more or less, and I'm gonna leave some gaps, maybe one here. And I'm gonna add another gap here, one more there, then you go around, leave a little gap, keep going about there, and again go around, leave a gap, and then the last gap is going to be about here. So next I'm going to draw the face of our snake, and I wanted to make it center, so let's add it about here, something like that. Okay, and we're gonna start drawing its body. Okay, and we'll just continue filling in these gaps here, and then I'll make a face to our snake just towards the end of this one. Doesn't matter if the lines are not exactly straight, we are talking about a snake after all. And I'm just going to add the end of its tail about there. Okay, so next let's make a face for our snakes. I'm starting with its eyes. Let's add its tongue as well. And then we're going to sort of finish up with a pattern. So you know, you can really choose any pattern for the snake. You can add stripes, dots, just keep it, you could keep it plain. I decided that I'm going to add mine these little patches, whatever you feel like. And then here it's sort of going to be half sort of its back, and then just add these lines to its kind of belly area. Okay, and before we finish, I'm just going to draw a thicker outline for the actual heart that kind of tidies things up a bit as well, and just makes the whole image a bit more defined. Doesn't matter if your heart is not a perfect heart shape. Imagine that the snake is kind of squishing it here and there. All right, so this is it. I hope you liked it. Maybe you tried it as well. Maybe you drew a better version, and hopefully I'll see you next time.